students. I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to Social Science class. Today we will discuss the chapter 2, that is the Northern Mountains. Under this chapter we shall learn about the 3 parallel ranges, then peaks, then we will be learning about climate, vegetation and wildlife, and lastly importance of the Northern Mountains. Students, let us learn about the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains include the Himalayas, Karakoram, and the Northeastern Hill Ranges or the Purvachal Hill Ranges, wherein the Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. As we learned in our online class, the Northern Mountains comprises of some of the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak, while K2 or also known as Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. The Himalayan range includes 3 parallel ranges. The Greater Himalayas are also known as the Himadri, the Middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal, the Outer Himalayas also known as the Shivalik. Let us learn in detail. The Greater Himalayas. It is the highest Himalayan range. The peaks of this region are covered with snow. Many glaciers originate from this region. Rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. What do you mean by glaciers? Glaciers are slow-moving rivers of ice. The Middle Himalayas. It is situated south of the Greater Himalayas. The peaks of this range are not as high as the Greater Himalayas. Some of them are still covered with snow. This range consists of forest-covered mountains and fertile valleys. What is a valley? A valley is a low-lying area between 2 hills or mountains. The Outer Himalayas. It is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. It is also the lowest range of the Himalayas. It is covered with thick forest and it is rich in wildlife. Now let us discuss about mountain pass. As we learned, there are many mountain passes in the Himalayas. What is a mountain pass? A route through a mountain range is called a mountain pass. People use passes to cross mountains. Some of the important passes in the Northern Mountains are Zojila, Shipki-La and few more. Here the word La means pass. As an activity, I want you all to collect the pictures of the Northern Mountains and make a poster. Now let us discuss about Karakoram mountain ranges and Purvachal hill ranges. Karakoram mountain ranges lies to the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond the rivers Indus. The second highest peak in the world, Mount Godwin Austen, or also known as K2, is in this mountain region. Purvachal hill ranges. It lies to the northeastern part of the Northern Mountains. These hill ranges are not very high. They are covered with thick forest and are rich in wildlife. They cover states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Now let us discuss about climate, vegetation and wildlife. Climate. The Northern Mountains have a major effect on the climate of our country. They form a barrier for the monsoon winds. They also cause heavy snowfall in some of the places located in this region. Vegetation. There is sparse vegetation in the Greater Himalayas, which include shrubs, mosses and wildflowers like blue poppies, etc. The natural vegetation of the Middle Himalayas consists of pine, oak, walnut, spruce, etc. This region has many orchards of apples, plums, peaches, pears, cherries, almonds, etc. Wildlife: yaks, goats, snow leopards, musk deer, and wild sheep are some of the wildlife of the northern mountains. Now let us discuss about the importance of northern mountains. They act as a natural barrier protecting to India. They prevent the cold winds of northern Asia from entering our country. The forests in these mountains provide us with timber, medicines, and other useful things. The northern mountains stop the monsoon winds from going further north, resulting in heavy rainfall in the plains of India. As an activity, I want you all to imagine yourself living in the northern mountains and write about your daily life. Therefore, in this chapter, The Northern Mountains, we have learnt and discussed about the 3 parallel ranges, peaks, climate, vegetation, wildlife, and the importance of the northern mountains. That's it, students. I hope all of you will do the activity. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.